Lillard, the very end. Welcome back to Bangkok. Today's video is going to be pretty cool, so hang around. First you've got to come for a ride on the canal boat, on the Sunset Canal. It's so much fun. You're coming to Bangkok, that's the way to travel. How cool was that boat ride?
That was cool.
That's by far the best way to travel if you get a chance. So as you saw, we've just taken the canal boat to the Phu Lillard pier, it's down there, and we're crossing this bridge. I'll show you, it's not a very wide bridge for pedestrians. There's no room at all. But yeah, we're heading up to this spot here. You right, Grandma? So just a short walk, probably 2 or 3 minutes from the pier, is this pretty cool spot. We haven't been in here before. It's the Golden Mount. And you might be able to see right up the top, right up there. We're going to climb that. So according to, well, I checked Google Maps and it said this place is open 24 hours, and some of the photos I saw were from night, so that'd be pretty cool. But it's 4:30 here, almost 4:30, so we might get a bit of the sunset. Yeah, we'll see what's going on. It's 100 baht per person, and you have to have your shoulders covered, so girls paid 100 baht to, you just buy them down there if you have to. And we'll head up. Oh, this is very cool so far. I can tell you already it's going to be worth a visit.
ที่จะส่งเสริมการกระทำของบุคคลประเภทนี้ไม่ใช่กระทำแบบนี้บางทีที่จะมีเมตตา
Not too far up, you've got a coffee shop.
เช่นจากสัตว์เล็กสัตว์น้อยมากัดกันตรงนี้เป็นต้นถ้าเป็นเด็กเพราะว่าเด็กไม่รู้เรื่องแต่ถ้าเป็นผู้ใหญ่เป็นเด็ก
Hey, that's enough, you'll break it.
Isn't it cool?
That's funny. This is what everyone's banging. On Google it said open 24 hours, but Google's wrong. 7 AM to 7 PM. Then they close this gate. You're going to come up here, you're going to have to be reasonably mobile, but the steps are really shallow and easy to climb, so but the views are worth it once you get up here. One of the few places that they don't want you to take off your shoes. These steps are a bit steeper and shallow. That's pretty cool. I'd like to see that at night. Down there you can see the back of the boat we came in on, Sunset Canal there. So you come along from that direction and then you cross the bridge and it's just a short walk. Kids are having a bit of fun up there, bashing the bells. Looks like they're getting this ready. Who's making all that noise? Dale's looking at that shop selling elephant pants. She wants to get a matching set for us. What do you reckon? Which one would you choose? I don't think the orange would suit me. Oh, the red one would be alright. You know, really feel cool, don't they? Almost like you're wearing pyjamas. You never know, you might see something like that in a future video. Yeah, that 1,290 baht for the orange set. So you probably won't see us wearing it in the video. You got toilets here. You pay as you go in, but I'm guessing they'll be nice and clean. Leave your shoes outside and you can get some pluggers on the inside, some jandals. There you go, you can get dressed up and get some photos taken for 300 baht per person. Yeah. Well, that was our trip to the Golden Mount. I highly recommend coming here. I would suggest coming here about this time, which is 5:30, so you can get to see the sunset since it closes at 7. And I would definitely, if you got the opportunity, take the canal boat. It's always an experience in the canal boat. So yeah, if you enjoyed that video of the Golden Mount, then hit that like button, we'd love that, thanks. And we'll see you in the next one.